Hello and welcome to our week 4 Rainforest theme packet. So you are going to have your week 4 packet, and inside you will have a Ziploc, and these will be used for one of our crafts that ends up being a really fun tree frog. Then you will find Rainforest Bingo. We're gonna do this on Wednesday at 10:30 a.m. on Facebook Live. So be sure to join us for the Rainforest Bingo. The next page that you have in your packet looks like this, and this will be for one of our crafts as well, which is the toucan. And we'll do another video for this explaining how to do these ones.
Next, there is a cat.
It's actually a lemur.
Oh.
But it kind of looks like a cat. So this one, you're gonna just color in and cut out all the paper. So cut it out and you're gonna color it in, and it's gonna end up just looking just like that. And I can show you what ours ended up looking like. So that is our lemur, and that was made with this page.
I look at it too.
Okay. Next, you will find a spiral snake color and cut. So you are going to color in the snake, and then you can go ahead and cut it out, and then it'll be a nice fun spiral. You might need to ask somebody older for help on that one. Ooh, and then this one is super fun. This is our snake shapes. So what you're gonna do is you're going to trace the outline of all of the shapes first, and then you're gonna cut them out and glue them onto the shape where they go. So you're gonna trace them first, color them in, and then cut out the bottom ones and match them with the snake's shapes on top. And then we have another shape page that's just like the snake. So go ahead and do the same thing. Trace the shapes, color them, cut these ones out, and match them with the shapes up there. Okay, next you have instructions, so you'll have to give that to somebody older to read to you, but they go with this page. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut out all of these squares, and you can play a matching game. So you'll flip them all over, and then 2 at a time you'll flip them up. If it's a match, then you get them and you put them over to the side. If it's not a match, you flip them back over and you try again. So if you've ever played a matching game, that's a fun rainforest theme matching games, and the instructions is on that first page. Next is a fun coloring sheet with some information about rainforests, and on the back is another coloring sheet for you to do. Again, we don't want you doing all of these things all at once. We want you to do a couple of things per day, so don't get tired doing them all at once. Another fun coloring sheet, more animals of the rainforest. Do you know what that animal is? What's that animal, everyone? Do you know what it is?
Cheetah.
It's a jaguar. It's close. It looks like a cheetah. There's all sorts of cool things on here, and all of them live in the rainforest.
And next is our R.
Yep. Our letter this week is R. So we have an R tracer page for you to do at home. And so you can trace your R's and write your letter R's and then color in R's. Now it says R is for rabbit. That's just to help you remember the sound that R makes. Rabbits you don't typically find in a rainforest. And then we have a color by number page on the back of that. So you're gonna figure out what colors those are. If you ask your mom or dad or big brother or sister, they could just draw a little bit of color beside each of the numbers so that you know which number goes to which color, and then you're not having to ask them over and over and over again. So if I had a pink crayon, I could just draw a little bit of pink right there, and then you would know that if it was a number 1, you had to draw pink, and then you don't have to ask over and over. And then your other 2 pieces of paper are gonna be for those crafts that we already talked about. We're gonna do one more video with our toucan and one more video with our tree frog from the rainforest. So we hope you guys are having a good time at home and that you're joining us for our Facebook Lives. We are having a lot of fun here, and we look forward to seeing you guys all very soon, we hope.